A lot of words. You say a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, hello everyone, and thank you for your time. My name is Jerome Dunn. I'm going to give our demonstration talk from Mr. Alator's speech class, Term 4 ASUBB. What I'm going to demonstrate for you is how to cut glass bottles, and first I'm going to talk about some reasons you might want to do that. To begin with, glass is more, it is better for the environment than plastic actually, and I think people don't really notice that, or they don't think of it that way, but glass is inert. It's stable and it doesn't break down, it doesn't leach chemicals. Styrofoam and plastic bottles both are toxic, and they release toxins and they persist pretty much forever. So there's a big problem with the ocean. Like you can everybody look on you can watch a YouTube video called the synthetic sea, and it'll illustrate kind of some of the problems that go on. Plastic lasts forever. It's toxic, and animals and like particularly fish mistake it for food. So eventually and ideally, glass would be able to take back over just because it's inert. And what I'm going to show you right now is techniques. For one thing, glass can be recycled. You know, like if you turn it in for recycling, they'll just put like another beer in it and then ship it back around and so forth, so it gets reused. And also with this techniques, you can repurpose existing containers. Like here we have one that's already done. It's these various size containers. You can make funnels, vases, cups. With an epoxy, you can make like a goblet type of glass and so forth like that. There's a bunch of applications. You can make vacuum tubes for mechanical or scientific projects, and there's a lot of applications there. This technique that I'm about to show you, we use a Jubilee clip, tighten it on there, and that allows us to use our glass cutter to get a perfect round score. Thank you, sir. After we score it, we're gonna stress the bottle. I've pre-scored it so to make this float, but we stress the bottle with heat, and that the glass is sensitive to hot and cold, so the scoring gives the stress someplace to go, and it's going to break right along our score line as long as we've done it right and carefully. And that's the technique that gives us the best edge. There's other techniques you can look online, like there's a string cut method, which is it's actually kind of silly when you know this method, because this one just gives you a better edge. But if you wanted to use the string cut method, what they do is they just take string and soak it in alcohol and tie it around there and then light it. That burns through the bottle. But this is a bit better. Gives you the best edge. And that is pretty much the point and the reason to do this. It allows you to repurpose and recycle the glass, or you can already recycle it, but this allows you to repurpose glass containers into other shapes for other purposes, and helps protect the environment. And I think that's it. Thank you very much for your time, guys, and well, let me see if we can get a good break here real quick. I don't want to speed it up too much, not to rush it. There we go.
Sure did.
And that's the edge there. The scoring was a little bit off, but that's the concept and the idea and the technique.